Kapatid Mobile Junior Ivan Tarinque, we are One News.
The magnitude 7.8 earthquake left a trail of destruction in Mindanao, particularly in General Santos City. And now let's check the situation on the ground with our mobile journalist, Ivan Tarinque. Ivan, kamusta na ang sitwasyon dyan? All right, well, we are having problems with our connection with Ivan, who is reporting in General Santos City. We're going to try that again. Ivan, can you hear us okay? All right, well, we will check in once again with our mobile journalists later on in the program. But in other news, a new genetically modified rice variety or variant has cleared a key biosafety hurdle in the Philippines. The Bureau of Plant Industry says it's designed to contain more iron and zinc. Mobile journalist Ray Vicente has this report.
Heads up for farmers and consumers. The Bureau of Plant Industry has issued a biosafety permit for the commercial propagation of Hyzer 39 genetically modified rice. Hyzer 39 rice aims to address 30 to 40% of daily iron and zinc needs of the target demographics. This particularly includes children below ages of 5, pregnant and lactating women.
Kung i-compare to sa regular rice, yung high iron and zinc rice or tinatawag natin na Hyzer, it contains about 5 times more iron and twice as much zinc. And it is intended as a complementary intervention to help address anemia and stunting, and it aims to provide 30% of the estimated average requirement or EAR for iron and 40% EAR for zinc among target populations.
The target zinc and iron levels was achieved using genes from rice and species of Asian wild apple, known as Malus baccata.
We do not expect it to pose greater risk to human and animal health or the environment. Furthermore, during the public consultation po, wala rin pong na-receive ang BPI na any objections. Yung human body natin, it needs iron to make hemoglobin and myoglobin. While zinc naman po, on the other hand, activates enzymes of protein metabolism and serves as cofactor for up to 300 enzymes in the human body.
Biosafety approval signifies that the product is safe for distribution and consumption, yet its availability in the Philippine market is still not up at the moment.
At the moment, ang alam ko po, yung PhilRice is not yet deploying this product since meron pa silang internal, I think seed increase po. Continue yung breeding nila and yung field development.
With the seed multiplication and registration in waiting line, the Bureau echoed that Hyzer 39 will not directly affect the rice production in the country. It is only designed to complement existing efforts to control iron and zinc deficiencies of the Filipinos.
Itong Hyzer is not expected to adversely affect current rice production, yung trade or consumption in the Philippines, or yung agricultural practices na gagawin ng mga farmers dito sa high iron and zinc rice. It's just the same. So, and also yung cultural management, agricultural practices or production, it will not differ from the conventional one.
Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.